That's why you have this function called remove to empty the string input so that you'll be ready to receive the new messages that is coming back, the response which is coming back from the server. Then you will also be looking for certain commands like exit, terminate, and clear screen. So if the user types exit, then you will clean up. You will call the cleanup function. So this cleanup function merely cleans up the client, not the server. So the client will just exit, will just clear up everything, the sockets, the connection, everything, and disconnect. And then after 5 seconds, if the client is still up and running, the server will try to connect again. Then the second command that the user can type is terminate. So once the user types terminate, that means you will send this command to terminate the server. Then you clean up the client itself, and then when the server receives the terminate command, the server will also wrap things up. So when the server receives the terminate command, let's go back to the server part. So when the server receives the terminate command, we are now in the server part. The server will call stop server, and stop server will come up here, clean up itself, and then call the exit function, which will then shut down the server. Right? So that's how the server part works. That's how the terminate command works. The last thing you want to talk about is the form closing. Form closing event will be triggered when the user clicks on the X button here, and when that happens, you'll be triggering this event handler, and then the event handler form closing will clean itself up, will clean up our client, and also call exit, and this exit will totally shut down your client. Alright, now note that if you were to suddenly close your client by clicking the X button, the server will still be up and running. It will not shut down, because the server has got a perpetual loop for loop, which will continue to spawn itself. So the only way that you want to shut down the server is you send the terminate command, as I've explained over here. So that's all for this walkthrough. We can now build this. So let's click on build. Now the build has started, as you can see on the bottom left corner, and it has succeeded. There are no errors. So in the next video, in the next walkthrough, we are going to test our both system, the project. For the server part, we are going to run our server, and we are also going to run our client and check it out to see if it works. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.